So I'm about to complete Vipassana meditation course, 10 days meditation course. So actually, I got to know about Vipassana 2 months back only. It's not that I was actually looking out for something like this because I can see a lot of clutter, a bit of lot of it's like stress. One reason is definitely job is there, but apart from that also I can see a lot of clutter that is coming up in the mind, and I've done some very gross mistakes in the last 6-7 months that I can clearly see. So I thought of cleaning myself and searching for something like this, and then one person actually hasn't done the Vipassana, but he has heard about it and just suggested that I was searching for some course, maybe inner engineering or Vipassana is one thing. He suggested Vipassana or inner engineering. Then I've searched both. Then I thought it's like this is a better one relatively because of like the overall process that I've heard about it. So immediately, maybe I heard it on one day, and on fourth day, which means within 3 days, I've registered for this course. So good that I've done that. So now I'm here. So last 10 days, one is of course like I heard that it is tough before also. So I was mentally completely prepared that I have to be here for 10 days, irrespective of whatever happens to me. Was the first thought. So that determination was always there, and I'm actually I know I'm mentally strong enough to be in these situations. So I was okay to be here any day, but I didn't expect the physical pain that I would go through, because that no one told me that it is tough, but no one told me why it is tough. Everyone thought that you have to be maintaining your silence and all those pieces. Yes, they are all tough, but I'm okay with that. But the amount of physical pain, that was one thing that actually that was unexpected. That's one. uh, so apart from this, rest all is like, this is what I have experienced is more of a psychometric test. Like I got to know more about myself. That's what I could say. Apart from whatever the experiences that I generally have, but especially what I think I am, and what I think this is more priority for me or not actually priority for me, is what I understood. What are actual priorities, all those things started coming up, and they are visible in front of me in multiple occasions during this whole meditation process. It's more of a psychometric test for me. Of course, I should be doing much better, but of course, like, there are other things also. Some things like something like my gastric problem got aggravated, and that started slightly disturbing myself and others. So that also bothered me in the mind during the course of meditation, which shouldn't have happened. But otherwise, rest all is like, for me, it's looking into myself for the first time. I've done meditations, but meditations for the sake of concentration, meditation for the sake of focus is what I've done before. But this is first time maybe I'm looking into myself for a long period of time at once. So there'll be occasions once you go to a particular place or any particular place and sit alone, you may look in, but that's for a very short period of time, and you won't give enough time to give thought to the overall process that is happening inside you. Maybe for the first time in my life, I've done that time. I've given that much of time required to look into myself, and given enough thought to understand what I am, and what I'm checking, what I'm doing, everything, what is happening inside me. So I believe this is a good start for me. As here discourses say, it's a long way to go. I believe I've got enough strength, mental strength at least, to continue these things. That's my belief. So I think I will. It's like I'll continue to do this, and coming back again to this place or some other place to do the same course, uh, visible for me. I'll do it, and like I don't know for how many times that I may come, but I will keep coming whenever I feel like cleansing myself. Yeah, thanks. Yeah.